back to my channel. You're watching Nice Universe. It's very loud. We're gonna go onto a helicopter. Before we get started, hit the subscribe button and the bell. See you on the helicopter. Okay, I can't scream. And now I am really excited to go on this helicopter ride through Myrtle Beach. I'm usually going the one in Florida, so this is definitely isn't my first time. It's like my fourth or third, but I am really excited to go through Myrtle Beach because I never been on a helicopter ride through Myrtle Beach, and I'm the one sitting in front this time, my first time in front. And make sure to wear those headphones because it definitely hurt my ears even with them on. Until the thing flies up, and now we left off from ground. Now we're in the air in the helicopter. Yeah. And as we're going, the pilot was talking to me, but I couldn't really hear because of the noise. And it was really loud even with the headphones on, but it was a pretty view. I had a really great time, and as you're looking at a little part of Myrtle Beach as we were going in this whole ride. So, I don't know if you guys see it, but there are resorts! And I was recording with my phone on front. There were resorts you could see, and you could see the beautiful ocean. I also once went parasailing, and that was in Myrtle Beach. It was a fun experience. I saw a huge whale and a lot of jellyfish. And as you're looking outside from the helicopter, you could see the beautiful beaches. And, well, the beautiful beach and the resorts. Lots and lots of resorts. And as you were looking back, if you looked back at the water, it was really pretty. I definitely liked it. And now we're going to go for a landing soon. I definitely I do recommend you guys doing it in every state you go, because you get to see above the entire thing. And you guys should also take a drone to make the video, which would be pretty awesome. I have a drone. I did not bring it in Myrtle Beach, but it would be really cool if I made the videos. So, and anytime I go to other countries, again, I am definitely going to go on a helicopter ride. So I really enjoyed the helicopter ride. It was really fun. And by the way, there's a sweet bride behind me, except I don't know why it's there. Either way, this is sadly the ending. Before I leave, hit that subscribe button and the bell. Bye. See you guys next time. So now, after a long days of the helicopter ride, we are in the hot tub, and my hair is messy. We cannot take Snowball, my little bunny rabbit, into the helicopter rides, and the reason why is because of the noise. I did not want to hurt his sensitive ears, and I didn't want to take him to the hot tub because there's chlorine in the pool, in the hot tub I meant, and the pool. So I didn't want him to get messy and dirty at all. And my hair is messy. I was chilling and relaxing in the hot tub. It felt really good. And back in New York, we don't have a hot tub. We're thinking about getting one. Well, my parents are, and when they do, I'm really excited. But I definitely enjoy the hot tub more than the pool. So the pandemic at the time is happening, which is kind of sad. So that's why we have to come in the hot tub at night. There's lesser people and more space for me to roam around with no one there, which is really awesome. But at the same time, everyone out there, stay safe, stay like 6 feet apart, always wear your mask and everything, and yeah, and don't get corona. Bye.